In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can log out your YouTube account on desktop. Logging out of your YouTube account on a desktop is crucial for protecting your privacy and security. By logging out, you ensure that others cannot access your personal information, viewing history, and account settings, which is especially important on shared or public computers. To do this, simply head into YouTube. On your home page, tap on your profile icon and select on Switch Account. Click on Sign Out and your account will get logged out. To remove it from the computer, click on Sign In. You will then select on Remove Accounts. Select your account to tap on Remove Account. The computer will forget about your account. This prevents unauthorized users from making changes to your account, accessing sensitive data, or engaging in activities that could jeopardize your online reputation or personal security. That's how easy it is to log out your YouTube account on desktop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.